In India, 2 out of 7 people fight lung cancer. Lung cancer is a disease that affects the lungs 10 times more. And not just the lungs, but the entire body and causes fatigue and weight loss. Not only does it harm the body, but it also impacts mental and financial well-being. Detecting and treating it early can help stop its spread, but dealing with it later can be very challenging. The pain during treatment can be overwhelming. But don't worry, ZeroHarm's Holo Oncolis is here to help. This 100% plant-based tablet is nano-formulated, allowing it to be quickly absorbed by the body. Take this tablet twice daily before breakfast and dinner and see results in 90 days. By the first month, there will be reduced pain and inflammation. By the second month, the immune system will be boosted and cells will be repaired and regenerated. By the third month, immunity will strengthen significantly and there will be noticeable improvement in overall cell recovery. Renowned doctor and medical consultant oncologist Dr. Bharat Patodiya also recommends this tablet for proper cancer care. Now don't wait any longer. Say goodbye to cancer-related pain and issues with ZeroHarm's Holo Oncolis.